Today, we're going to upgrade the Volkswagen radio's motherboard to enhance the sound quality. Now we have removed the motherboard separately. First, let's take a look at this motherboard. Replace the chip. It uses a TDF Type 56 hook. This amplifier chip is 45 watts American root. It also uses MUNS tubes internally. This amplifier's radiation is the same as the 7850 model. It also has a bus control system, which is controlled by RRC. So, this power amplifier chip, I personally do not recommend upgrading to 7850. The improvement is almost imperceptible. In terms of how it sounds, it's indistinguishable after switching to 7850, and the control method differs. Switching to 7850 can lead to instability, including various malfunctions that may occur over time. I advise against changing this chip. Let's now look at its capacitor filtering section. Here's a patch-type power filter, a major filter, and here's a minor one. We'll need to replace these two shortly. This original is a 220 microfarad 25 volts. We'll replace it with a 10,000 microfarad 25 volts. This Nichicon large green wave capacitor, and here 47 microfarad 25 volts. We'll replace it with a cardboard version, 1 wave 50 volts. The capacity is the same, and here beneath the large filter we'll avoid one. This ACC non-inductive capacitor, for high-frequency filtering. This will enhance the effect. Actually, this main unit, its code-cutting chip is quite good. The code-cutting chip is on the back. It should be visible here. It uses an AKM virtual chip, model AK7738. This Jetta chip, and that Alpine product, the Alpine 09, use exactly the same Jetta chip. So why is there such a big difference in sound quality between this main unit and the A09? The main reason is this. Decoding chip's digital output section. Its circuit architecture is different. The main unit's engineer, when it leaves the factory, already has the chip's digital output shielded off. It doesn't use its digital signal output, but rather it uses its analog signal decoding. After that, through this coupling capacitor, then through this pull-down resistor, and through this matching resistor, directly input into this public chip. There is no operational amplifier circuit design, nor any boosting. So, even though everyone is using the 7738 decoding chip, although the decoding chip is the same, the effects are different because it only uses the analog part, and the analog part only goes through capacitive coupling and resistance matching without any chip circuit design for ironing. So, if we modify this main unit to enhance its sound quality, the first thing is the capacitor filtering we need to do well, and also add this pre-driving ironing board. As I just said, we need to remove the factory coupling capacitor, and then add our operational amplifier board, in series with the decoding chip. The decoding chip's analog output end to this power amplifier chip, incorporating this circuit in between. Its decoded analog signal, first through our operational amplifier boards for operational amplifier chips, then through to BB1 tone adjustments, and then through the coupling capacitor after the adjustments, finally output to its original factory's public chip. The sound quality can achieve a significant improvement. That the best supply voltage for this operational amplifier chip is dual power supply, generally at plus or minus 12 volts, 15 volts or even higher voltage. It can bring out the best effect of the operational amplifier chip. Since its motherboard itself is 12 volts DC, 12 volts, and does not have any boosting circuit, it is a 9 to 36 volts DC input, and the output we provide this operational amplifier chip with power is plus or minus 15 volts. Thus, this operational amplifier chip's boosting circuit is completely completed on our separate operational amplifier board. This is the basic principle of adding this operational amplifier board to improve sound quality. Okay, next we will start modifying. First, we need to remove these two coupling capacitors, then remove these to filter capacitors, and then the power amplifier chip in front of this audio input. The coupling capacitors, 4 of them will be removed. We just need to connect our operational board in series with this circuit, and that's it.
山上的野花为谁开，又为谁败？静静的等待，是否没有人采摘？我就像那花儿一样，在等它到来。拍拍我的肩，我就会听你的安排。白白的花儿呀，它也需要你的抚慰。山上的野花儿为谁开，又为谁败？静静的等待，是否能有人采摘？我就像那花儿一样，在等它到来。拍拍我的肩，我就会听你的安排。摇摇摆摆的花儿呀，它也需要你的抚慰，别让